everybody, it's Sania here and welcome to my channel, which is the best place for Amazon FBA sellers. If you are looking for how to use Instagram for Amazon FBA, then you are in the right place. I am about to reveal some easy ways to Instagram for Amazon FBA without wasting a lot of your energy and money. I understand that getting sales from Amazon store can be very difficult, especially when you are just starting out. But don't worry, because today I'm going to share with you how you can use Instagram for Amazon through both free and paid ways. As we all know, Instagram has become a powerhouse for businesses around the globe. Scrolling through your Instagram feed allows you to get an up-close and personal view of products, places and experiences that your friends recommend and share. Instagram is one of the most visual tools out there for social media marketing. So if you want to promote your private label, that is where you should be showing it off in 2020. So what's the first thing buyer noticed about one of your product listings? Image. And what does Instagram specialize in? Image. It's ridiculously easy, fast and simple to upload pictures to your account and use hashtags to link visibility even more. And you can get your messages across in a way that does not feel stuffy, markety, or like you're trying to sell something to someone. Brands are taking advantage of word-of-mouth marketing features offered by Instagram, and they have quickly recognized the platform as one of the best places to make money. However, brands and influencers are also utilizing Instagram in the most creative ways to help sell actual products, grow their followers, engage and build a relationship with their audience, as well as drive traffic to their site. And you should be totally doing the same thing. If you are not ready, then you should be doing that. It's also possible to sell on Instagram without even having to spend any of your hard-earned cash. Real quick guys, if you are interested in learning more about Amazon FBA step by step, then be sure to check out my free guide here at the first link in the description down below. With over 200 million monthly users and nearly a quarter of these coming from the US, and with sponsored posts, only just having entered the platform, it's still a really great time to take advantage of organically getting your product out there to a mass audience. There are some key things to remember when you're setting up your Instagram account. 1. Include a link in your bio, and you can use like the shortened link one. The bit.ly is the popular one where you track your customers, where they're coming from. An Instagram landing page is a landing page that uses elements like video, testimonials, or other persuasive content to convince visitors to convert. It's important to make sure that this is a mobile-friendly page. You can even add CTA button to specific sponsored posts that include phrases like sign up, learn more, download, and like these kind of. Simply add a CTA to your bio or a specific photo that links to an Instagram landing page. Number 2, a brief description in your bio about the brand and the company. Number 3, a great profile pic, like company logo or anything you want to go that like you can go with the business. Number 4, link it to the other social media accounts, like if you have any. Number 5, set your account to public so that anyone can easily view your account and follow you. Okay guys, so now let's talk about the 6 ways on how to use Instagram for Amazon FBA. Number 1 is use your own images and don't overpost. When posting on Instagram, people like make your brand authentic and stick to using the original photos of your product. Be picky about which pictures and products you can and you want to post to give an exclusive feel to your brand, rather than posting every single product pic you have to like speed up the process. Now, no one wants to see them, so use professional photos to promote your brand or product. The visual power of IG is on a completely different level compared to other social media channels. So make sure to use it exactly the way it is. Guys, be creative, stand out, be unique and colorful with your photos. Don't be afraid to show off your brand's personality. Flaunt your goods and include details and aesthetics in an artistic manner. This will help build a relationship and culture with your audience, and users will continue to purchase when they are ready. Starbucks did a great job of letting their voice carry over to their audience in a really clever and creative way, using top trending hashtags, of course. Don't hard sell, instead tell a story in a powerful way. Let your customers soak up your brand without feeling like they are being sold or something like that. This is the beauty of Instagram. Tell a story that resonates with your customers and one that users will want to share to encourage the power of word of mouth marketing. People don't feel like they are being sold like something. So it's more of an insight into a brand's Be Creative side. People feel inspired and want to continue to feel inspired rather than being sold to. So this way you can sell your products by telling a story and not even telling them that you are selling something. Your IG account is full of lovely creative pics, simple captions and professional photos. Okay guys, IG fans love inspiring quotes, and what they love even more are those brands and influencers who inspired them in the first place. So don't be afraid to use inspirational quotes. You can use Canva to make your own pictures quotes and take them inspiration from other big accounts. Obviously you can do that. Don't copy, just take inspiration from them. Number 2 guys, let's talk about hashtags now, because hashtags are the keywords of IG, and using the hottest hashtags is right away is one of the easiest ways to gain traction to your account. Hashtags allow you to boost your reach, empower your message, connect and engage with your audience. It also helps you identify important influencers. Moreover, it shows what your audience is talking about and helps you to come up with new content ideas right away. Check the popular hashtags that your competitor is using and you can use that too. Remember to mix the big ones and the small ones who have searches, and do not use more than 20-25 maximum. If you want to know what hashtags are trending in real time, the best tool is Flick. You can use that and find the hashtags within your niche. I always do my research on that software. It helps you to take out the best hashtags of your account according to your niche. Use hashtags and posting consistently will only help if you engage with your followers and continue to listen to them. Respond to your followers. Who tag you, who doesn't, who have questions or even compliment your pics. Comment and like on your followers' posts. Build relationship with them. Guys, this is the key. Social media stands for socializing. So socialize with your followers. That is the key to increase your brand awareness. Number 3 is tagging and reposting. If your fans tag you in an awesome post then they have created that's relevant to your brand, then be sure to repost and share it with your audience. Encourage users to tag their friends. A very simple hack is when you post a photo, and you don't have to do it's like every single time, but in your caption you can encourage users to tag their friends in a post. You will attract user friends to say like about the post, and they can see it by a larger audience. So this can be a great way to increase. Now guys, let's talk about selling directly through post with a shoppable Instagram. That means that it's up to you to let customers shop your Instagram page with ease. One way to accomplish this is with shoppable accounts like posts. These posts allow users to click on products that you tag in and an image to be taken to the product page where they can make a purchase. That way, followers won't have to go out of their way to find the products you are sharing. It's also as easy as to discover, shop, and buy. Once you have connected with your Instagram business profile with a shop on Facebook or a catalog in Business Manager, you will be able to turn on Instagram product tagging. Before you start the process, make sure that you have got the latest update on the Instagram app. You also need to be the admin of the page or a business manager to do that. So your business profile will allow you to tag products in Instagram posts. So number 5 free way to sell on Instagram without spending a cent is to post behind the scenes content. Post behind the scenes content with Instagram stories. When Instagram released their stories feature, it immediately became a direct Snapchat competitor. Now that's its daily use is even higher than Snapchat. So it's better than that. Over 200 million people use Instagram stories every day, and more than 1/3 of the most viewed stories are from businesses. Stories posts go away in 24 hours and there aren't any public comments or likes. They won't appear in your profile feed also. So text and drawings tools, stickers, and also make stories like the place to bring your brand's creativity to life. Unlike the regular photo feed, users will see Instagram stories at the top of the regular feed every day. When you post stories, your chances of the customer seeing them are much higher than if you post a regular image or video. Therefore, there's no true algorithm involved, unlike the photo feed. Users will see your brand's profile photo at the top of their screen, where they can click on it, access, and click through the photos or videos in your stories. Instagram stories are your chance to get creative and worry less about quality. You can easily showcase your brand's behind the scenes culture in stories to boost your trust with followers. Followers will appreciate the insider scoop and get excited about upcoming releases. Stories posts aren't the only place you should be giving followers a preview of your upcoming products. So preview upcoming products in your post to unique interest. If you want to boost the hype around one of the new products that has just launched or is about to launch, post a quick product image. You are probably already talking about product shoots or all those things, so you can take that and post it over there. Why not taking a few shots of Instagram while you are doing it? Post a caption that says something like exclusive product, alert, coming soon. So these are the ways you can do on your stories to boost up the engagement and interest of your followers. Number 6 is, guys, another free way is to run a contest or giveaway promotion. In this way, you can increase engagement and get a few thousand and new followers. It will let you connect your content with the fans and friends, and eventually your Amazon private label will be promoted to a new audience. So guys, these were the free ways. Now let's talk about the paid ways. An effective way of increasing your reach and driving traffic to your private label is by using other IG influencers who already have an established and large following, like 20K and above, which is a similar target audience to yours. Think of IG as a huge blog with every user being a blogger. The bloggers with a really large followers are known as IG influencers, and thousands of small businesses, startups, and solopreneurs use the following tactic to get their brand or product in front of their mass following. Finding the right influencers, it can be a little bit tricky. So there are apps out there that can help you connect with the relevant influencers, like influencerdb.net allows you to do a quick search, and it's free, guys. So personally, but I recommend that you invest some time scouting these IG accounts. You can click on the search icon on IG, click on the hashtags and type of the word related to your product or industry. You will see the top post for that hashtags. Next, click on a few of the posts and then check around the accounts. Once you find an interesting account, you will get a list of suggested accounts in that, and you can make a list of it and you can follow them. Make a list of around 10 to 20 accounts that you think are going great. You need to look for the relevancy for your brand also. You should be able to get an idea about this by simply looking at their account post and caption to get an idea whether they are a good fit for your product or not. The number of followers, like focus on the ones with 100k followers, but also have a few in your list with a smaller volume just to get you started. Do they have an email account in bio? If they have one, then this means they are accepting ads. So go on and contact them. You can either use direct messaging in Instagram or email them using the account in their bio. Explain you are looking to promote your IG account and businesses and whether they are open to advertising opportunities. If it's a yes, ask for a code. I have an email template which you will find in the description down below. It says like, hi there, great profile page. I really like your style. My name is whatever your name is, and I represent my brand or product X that has been running over a year now, and we are preparing to launch a new product. So give a short bio of what your product is about. I would love to send you a care package of our products in exchange for an editorial and a few Instagram posts. Insert like how many pictures you would like to post and all that stuff. In this something you would be interested in, insert your website here. All the best and your name. So this kind of like keep in mind that if you have zero ad budget, this tactic could still work for you. Rather than talk about like exchanging money for posts, simply reach out to these influencers who you think would love your product. Build a genuine relationship with them and let them know you love to send them a new exclusive and free sample and don't ask for anything. If they love your product, they will post about it for free. Many brands have done this and grown significantly on Instagram. So you must be thinking what sort of campaign to run with, obviously. So brand review, like product review, usually means you would send them a sample product and they would wear, use, review it and then post it on their account. Other way is sending them your product photos to post on their account, or using influencers to help promote a contest or a giveaway. Paid mention or shout out, this simply means you pay the IG influencers to mention you in a pic they post for a fee. A simple and affordable way to attract more followers and drive traffic to your site via the link in your bio. So these are few of the things that you can consider. There are the paid and the free ways that you can do with the influencer. Guys, always make sure that you are keeping an eye on your analytics so that you can see which strategy is working for you and which is not. You can also check the best time and day to post according to your followers. Instagram is one of the best places to sell online. Luckily, there are ways to sell on the platform without spending any money, and they are much easier than you might think. You can sell directly through your post with a shoppable Instagram page. If you live in the US, it's easy to enable product tagging. Add a CTA to your bio next to your link and link out to an Instagram landing page that optimizes for mobile users. Don't forget about Instagram Live. When you start a live video, your followers will receive a real-time notification that they can ignore. If you like this video, guys, and you want more awesome content similar to it, then do subscribe to my channel and check out the playlist that's coming your way in 3, 2, 1, go!